If you're diving into Forex trading, you might have come across Dukascopy. But is it really the best Forex broker out there? Today, we're going to peel back the layers and see if Dukascopy lives up to the hype or if it falls short. Dukascopy is a Swiss-based Forex broker that offers a wide range of trading instruments, including Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. One of the standout features is their proprietary trading platform, JForex, which is quite user-friendly for both beginners and more experienced traders. The platform provides advanced charting tools and customizable layouts, which can be a big plus for those who like to analyze market trends deeply. However, it's worth noting that while the trading platform is robust, some users might find the initial learning curve a bit steep, especially if they're transitioning from simpler trading apps. Dukascopy also offers competitive spreads and has a reputation for good execution speeds, which is crucial in the fast-paced Forex market. Yet, the website can feel a bit overwhelming at first glance, with a lot of information packed into various sections, making it potentially confusing for new users. So, while it has a lot to offer, the user experience could be smoother. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Dukascopy offers a solid range of trading instruments and competitive pricing, which can be appealing for active traders. Their JForex platform is highly regarded for its features and analytics capabilities, making it a strong choice for serious traders. However, there are some drawbacks. Customer support has been reported as lacking at times, which could be frustrating if you encounter issues while trading. Additionally, while the platform caters well to experienced traders, beginners might feel lost due to the complexity of the tools and information available. Lastly, the account setup process can be a bit lengthy and may deter some potential users. Overall, Dukascopy might not be the best fit for everyone, especially those just starting their trading journey. In conclusion, Dukascopy is a powerful platform for those serious about Forex trading, especially if you value advanced tools and analytics. However, if you're a beginner or someone who prefers a more straightforward experience, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying out, but do your research first.